Hi guys, it's been ages since I talked to y'all, but before I want to upload this, I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded in like more than a month. I've just been so busy with work and something really exciting. As you can see, I'm not in my usual setting slash room right now. And since this video is all about rooms, I just really don't want to give y'all a sneak peek. That's why my hand is right there. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded. Enjoy this video! Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna be doing a room tour. This was really requested, but I haven't filmed it. You guys wanted to see this video, so here I am showing you my room. I do need to explain something first. So I have two moms, they are divorced, and now I have a room at my mom's and like my mom's. Usually what people say is my dad's house and my mom's house, but it's literally mom's and mom's, you know? Get it? This is where I sleep, so I'll take you along. I'll first give you an overview of my room. So this is it basically. The door, there's my light switch and a little mirror up there. This section to my room is fairly new. I have my vinyls here. So these are the ones I bought. Then my mom's and my other mom's vinyls. I keep them separate just so I know what's from who. I don't know why. I have my Nintendo games right here and this basket with blanket. I got another basket with just some storage. Pictures up here I took myself. I'm really proud of them. They look really nice and I can change them out whenever I want a different look. This is a new plant to my room. These are some Polaroids. And this is my record player. If you haven't watched my unboxing, go watch it. Then we go to the next section of my room is basically my window and my desk and these cute lockers. The lighting will be terrible, I know. The quality of this video is so shitty. I'm sorry. Here's my desk. It's just a simple desk with a mirror on here. Up here I have more Polaroids, some more storage, and my small mirror. Here I have my lockers, so it's just basically storage. And in this one I keep all my nail stuff. On top I just keep some packaging of makeup products or PR. I love this big window. It has an awesome view. There's some people biking there. Next to my window I have this little puff. I don't know how to say this, but I use it as a doorstop sometimes. It's really handy to have. And then we have my beautiful plants. I have these two little cactuses and I don't know what happened to this one. I probably gave it too much water. Then I have this other cactus and my beautiful aloe plant. I have had this one for over 2 years now. The problem with this one is that the leaves get too heavy for the plant itself. So this one broke off just because of the weight. Anyway, this is my dresser. I keep my clothes in here. Really simple. Just my clothes. On top of my dresser, I keep some perfumes and hairspray. And next to that, I keep my clothing rack and my hamper. So here's just more clothes. Just more clothes. And my trash can. I have a really beautiful sunsets and golden hours with this window. I just love. Next to my clothing rack and dresser is my big bed. It's a double and I just love it. It's so pretty. It's big, it's comfortable. I also have this tapestry up there and my beautiful big bear. It's really fun to hug with and just sleep with, especially in the winter because it's so warm. I also have a pretty throw pillow and then I have my tapestry. It's from Amazon and it just makes my room. And I also love the Christmas lights around it. Then we've done this part of my room. So let's move on with this side. I also forgot to say, but I have this home sweet home like lettering on there. I put it there and I don't want to take it off for some reason, even though it doesn't look that good. I have some storage here and These bags are normally not there. It's just all my stuff what I take with me to switch homes. Next part is this really important part to me because here's where I film all of my Instagram videos and also some YouTube videos. So I have my ring light. And then I have this beautiful lighting. I just filmed a video, so that's why this is so messy. Normally it's clean. I also have a trash can down there because it's easy to access whenever I'm filming. I also have this big mirror and the smaller one. Yeah, this is just what I use whenever I'm filming. I have this desk. It fits so perfectly in the space. I have still some room to walk through. Next to my little filming area and my bed, I have, first of all, a charging station. I also have one there. But I have my little side table. Here I keep everything I need to recycle and then some storage. I'm not gonna show you that. On top is my computer right now. I'm gonna just put that there. Then some water and, oh shit. And some citrus water because I'm bougie like that. No, but I really like drinking that. Here I keep a candle and a lighter. And lastly, we have this acrylic organizer. This camera is killing my arm right now, so I'm gonna just put it on my tripod. This is my room. I really love it. This was kind of a chaotic video. I don't know why. I just wasn't feeling it. But yeah, this was requested and I hope you now know how my space looks. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. Comment something and I'll see you next time. Bye!